At Kincaid Plastics, we have made millions of parts over the years. But we believe the most important part we provide is partnership. Being a good partner is simple, but it's not always easy. It takes years of experience, attention to detail, but most importantly, it takes the right people. We're dedicated to providing the highest quality products and services. We understand that the parts we produce can make a significant difference in the lives of your customers. To ensure your parts are made to specification, we follow strict quality control standards. We have an in-house tool shop where we design and build both prototype and production molds. We've invested in a Class 100,000 certified clean room and the latest in injection molding equipment. We provide many finishing services, including assembly, heat staking, and pad printing, as well as outsourced painting, plating, and shielding so that when you get your parts, they're ready for use. Our goal is to provide you with the capabilities to give your customers the best products. We provide parts that are used all over the world in medical, aerospace, defense, and industrial applications. You can depend on Kincaid Plastics to do our part because as your partner, we have the tools and expertise to get the job done right.